After we traded to $2,000 yesterday, we had to withdraw $1,000. That means that we have taken away the capital we started with, which was $500, and we have also made $500 in profit. And this $1,000 has been withdrawn. So what you see here is $1,000, and we are trading this $1,000, which is part of the profit. So technically, we are not funding anything. Our capital is already preserved. You are welcome again to Real Trading with David Wekulom. Today is day 12. I am showing you that if you learn how to trade effectively, you can actually make a reasonable income from trading in the financial market. And a lot of people have been talking about Forex trading. I want to show you how to trade Forex. So that is why we funded an account with $500. And I am taking this account from $500 to $10,000. And the principle is this. We are not trying to gamble and take one trade and push it to $10,000. That is not sustainable. I am trying to show you that with consistency, if you learn how to trade, you can actually make trading a sustainable source of income for you. And we took this account from $500 to $2,000. And today we are going to continue. If you look at this account, you might be surprised. Why are you seeing $1,000 there? That is to tell you, I am adopting the principle of capital preservation. After we traded to $2,000 yesterday, we had to withdraw $1,000. That means that we have taken away the capital we started with, which was $500, and we have also made $500 in profit. And this $1,000 has been withdrawn. So what you see here is $1,000, and we are trading this $1,000, which is part of the profit. So technically, we are not funding anything. Our capital is already preserved. So let me show you what I mean. If you go to the history and you click here, go to custom and check last 3 days, you will see here, if I spread this thing out, you will see here that we withdrew $400 and here we withdrew $602. So total withdrawal is around $1,002 that we have taken out of the account. If you go to the entire history and you scroll down to the beginning, you will see here that we funded this account. We started the account with, and since that time we have not made any other deposit. If you scroll down here, you will see here that the profit we have made on this account is $1,509, and then we have withdrawn 400 here and 602. So we have withdrawn 1,002 from the profit of 1,500. And if you go to the current situation, you see here that our balance is 1,007, while our equity is 1,017, because I just took some trades there that are playing out. All right. So with this kind of knowledge, you already know that Forex trading is worth your time. And for the period of 3 months that we have traded this account, 1,500, if you multiply this by the exchange rate in Nigeria, 1,600, you will see that we have made a total profit of 2.4 million naira on this account. And if you divide that by the 3 months, that means on average we are making 800,000 naira every month. And if you are in Nigeria, you know the reality in Nigeria. The minimum wage is less than 100,000 naira. And even people that have reached level 12 and level 15, I am not sure they are earning up to 800,000 naira every month. So I'm showing you that if you learn how to trade effectively, forget the hype, forget greed and trying to take $100 and converting it to $1 million overnight. It doesn't work that way. But if you learn this skill with discipline, it has taken me years to master this skill. So what I'm showing you here in the small account, I can do this on a big scale. If you learn how to trade effectively, you can make Forex a reliable source of income. And that is why I encourage you to be a part of the community. Subscribe to the channel and show up here every day and learn how to trade. If you want to take it a step further and you have never, or maybe you have been struggling to be profitable in trading, then I encourage you to join the Weldds Forex Academy. The amount of money you pay to learn and the time you take to learn is going to pay you for life, because this is a skill that once you acquire the skill and you are profitable, you continue to trade for the rest of your life. It is that possible. So having said that, if you come to the history, I gave you some of the trades that you should be taking. Okay, and we took some of the trades like AUD, JPY, all the Japanese yen pairs that I called in the previous videos. They are performing wonders. Although for me, I had to shut down all the trades when I hit $2,000 because I had that goal that once I hit $2,000, I'm going to take out 1,000 before I resume. So I had to do that to obey the goal that I set in the beginning. AUD/JPY is still performing. It has not even reached the take profit. USD/JPY, if you look at this trade, we started this trade from around here. This was where we entered the buys. Okay, see where the market is, and it will keep growing, going in that direction. Maybe if it pulled back, we can take it. Okay, then if you look at pound Japanese yen, we took the trade setup here. Look at where the market is. So they are all doing fine. Okay, and now New Zealand dollar Japanese yen, this is the trade I have taken again. Forget all these plenty trend lines. Okay, I like my chart to be clean. This was where we took the trades, and the market went there, pulled back, okay, and continued. This is where the market is now. The take profit is still far away, so that's why I felt like I could still take this trade. If you come to the 4-hour time frame, you can still wait for this trade and join it. So if you take it from here up to where it is, if for any reason the market retraces from there and come to the 61.8 fib level and give you a sign that you want to retrace, you can join in that trade. So that is one opportunity that is still there, and the profit target is still up there. Another currency that I have seen is New Zealand dollar CHF. This trade is still a good one. If you look at it, the market came to this level, which was the 78.6, is still sitting there. So you can actually take this trade along. If you measure from this level, you see that it came to the 61.8 fib level. So whatever you are doing, ensure proper risk management. Wherever you are going to place your stop loss, give enough space for the trade to play out, but don't give space that your money will be taken off. That is another trade. Then GBP New Zealand dollar. The New Zealand dollar pairs, I feel like the New Zealand dollar is supposed to be strong. So I saw this trade, it dropped here, came to the 61.8 fib level. I executed some of the trades there. But as you can see, if you check my running trades, the GBP New Zealand dollar is running in a loss. Okay, I have two positions. One is in a loss of $13 and the other one is in a loss of $22. But I'm not going to close it yet because based on the reality, it is still within my entry zone. You see where the stop loss is. If it goes towards my stop loss, I'm going to close the trade and move away. If you look from the fundamental, you see that New Zealand dollar is still gaining strength. US dollar is gaining strength. The only thing about the US dollar this period is because of Donald Trump tariff and all those things. The pound is still the king right now. So a currency pair like the pound CHF, which we took last week, although this currency pair, what I notice about pound CHF, it does not move quick. It like to take its time and dance up and dance down, but overall it will be going to the direction that we have seen. So it came to this level. We started trading this currency for a long time. We took some of them from here, made money. It came back here. We executed the trade. It went here, gave us some money. Then it has come here. This trade is struggling and you might just stay away from it, or if you take it, you have to be extremely patient. But overall, it is going the direction that we have seen. US dollar Japanese yen has performed well for us. You see that we took the trade after it broke out of here, retraced. This was where we executed the trade. Some of the profit here. It has created a new high. So it has broken structure. What you can now do is to wait for the next retracement. One of the things with Japanese yen pairs, sometimes they don't retrace significantly after the first retracement and started moving in the new direction. Sometimes you might be waiting for a significant retracement, it might not happen. But in case this USD Japanese yen retraces back to this zone, it will be a good time to re-enter the trade and wait, because our take profit target is still very far away. I like taking this trade because they give you a long risk to reward. It can even come to this area. If it retraces back to the entry zone, then we are going to add to that trade. I want to encourage you to subscribe and be a part of the community. If there is any currency pair you want us to analyze, drop it on the comment. If there is any difficulty you are having in your forex trading journey and you want help, drop a comment. I will respond to your comment, because I know the number of years I became a struggling trader, losing and losing and losing before I found my bearing in trading. So if you have any question that bothers you about trading, feel free to ask. If you want to join the Weldds Forex Academy, you should check the description. There's a link for you to enroll, or if you want a coupon code, you can also chat me directly and I will respond to you. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow.